are you?
I'm Chris. I'm the Michigan Outlaws guy.
He's new to the channel.
I'm the new intern recruit. We're out here interning and things.
Interning and things. Yeah, last time he was on camera was Halloween.
It's been a minute. Yes, it's cracked. I got cracked lenses, dude.
I didn't even notice that till now.
I was in a hardcore rave, and I whipped my head back. Glasses went flying and shattered on the concrete. Split right in the middle.
Ooh.
We got a few things going on. Not much, but
Enough.
little updates, I guess, on our toys and things.
First one, let's start with the LT Gray. We mentioned that in the last video. It's back, kind of. It's a little rough. She looks way better than before. She's got some Bullet Bill stickers. For those of you Mario Kart racers. Engine bay looks way better, except for the fact that it's starting to rust through the paint, which I'm not a real big fan of. Let's see, carburetors rebuilt, engine rebuilt, crank seals replaced, clutches cleaned up. That one was really bad. I also repainted the spring on it. Oh, what else we got here? I found out that the tether here is aftermarket, and I assume that's for racing because you gotta have a tether to race. So I'm thinking this thing was raced at one point before, and he just wired it into this thing. Key works, that works. Tachometer works, speedometer works, gasometer doesn't have one, just a gas tank. Repainted the seat so it's all black. I did throw a little bit of paint on the mud flat because that thing was looking pretty rough. I have the taillight wired up because this is a Polaris seat on an Arctic Cat snowmobile. All I have to do is put bulbs in it, so that's cool. You can actually have brake lights.
It's like a brand new sled.
Dang near.
Except it still don't run properly, so...
No, it's got an air leak, which I think I fixed. If I'm correct about where the air was leaking in from. I haven't actually ran it since I fixed it, so I don't know if it's actually fixed. But I put a bunch of gabagoop in between the carburetor boot and the cylinder, so hopefully that fixes that. No air filters, which there probably should be at some point. Unfortunately, I'm still in the diagnosis stage. It's got brand new coil, brand new CDI box, which is all super shiny and looking good. New fuel lines. And
did you know that you can take a Jetta light bulb from Auxbeam and stick it on this sled?
Yeah.
Nice and bright.
So Auxbeam sent us some headlights for my Jetta, which had a tragic death. Dropped a valve. Not good. Engine's toast. We're gonna try and rebuild it. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. But we took the light bulb that they gave us for it. We slapped it on this thing, and it is insanely bright. So if you've got actually whatever bulb, they make a whole different types of they make all different types of bulbs, and they're all insanely bright. So if you want to get some of those headlights, look in the thing down below. Go searching on Auxbeam's website, because I guarantee they'll have an insanely bright bulb for you. So let's fire this thing up, hopefully, and see what this bulb looks like.
We're gonna fire this sucker up with the handy dandy drilling tool.
So unfortunately, it still has a spark issue. It doesn't start producing spark until well after like 1500 RPMs. When you pull it, you can't get 1500 RPMs out of it. So it's just not gonna spark when you pull it. However, 2250 RPMs. So we use this to start it. It's like a race sled. Unfortunately, it's a two-man process because it doesn't quite have the torque to hold it as it spins. So I gotta have my boy Chris on the pull rope. He's gonna put a little pressure on it, and I'm gonna start spinning. No! Maybe. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Ready? That's progress.
Healthy.
This is honestly so bad for an engine, having it roll over that many times without firing. Let's do it again.
Bummer.
So it still needs a lot of tuning done, unfortunately.
It does not sound healthy. Smells good, but doesn't sound healthy.
No.
Nope.
And the cool thing about it is that spark issue, that doesn't do a thing anymore. Gotta keep using the drill to start it. But hopefully it's a little bit warmer now to where it actually runs a little bit longer. What do you say if I fire this thing up, take it for a lap?
Place your bets in the comments if this thing will take off or not, or just stay right here where it is and yeah, do it right now. If you said it was going to go in the comments, congratulations, you won. High five. The thing's a real ripper when it's running. It's awesome. It's fast. A little tuning and it'll be even faster. It's awesome. Yesterday we had no snow. Today we probably got like 3 inches, so maybe a little less, but it's been like this all winter. As I was saying, we're getting all the snow, but I guarantee by Monday all the snow will be gone. And that's generous. And it's been an awful winter for snowmobiling, which sucks. But I guess it don't matter because we don't have sleds, so we just gotta deal with this, boy. Hands cold?
Freezing, actually. I should have brought gloves. That would have been the smart thing to do. It's alive again after, what, 2-3 years?
Something like that.
Yeah. So we're hoping to get some ice. It is end of January, and the lake we usually ride is still not frozen. This time last year, we had the side-by-sides on it, if that doesn't say anything. So, we're hoping and praying for some ice, because over here, me and Tyler both have a studded set of tires for the side-by-sides. We have about twice as many studs in the sets of tires as we did last year. He was the only one that actually had studded tires, but he had like half the amount, and he was still hooking pretty good. We put twice as many in his tires and my tires, so we're both going to be gripping and ripping out there if we get ice. So, do your snow dance, do your ice dance, whatever it is you do. We need some ice. What else we got?
It's not looking good. Our shed. That was interesting. We got our side-by-sides in there.
Yeah.
And one day we got an east wind and sucker just picked up and flew on top of my shed, and
the whole thing just went whoop, boom, right onto Chris's sharply pointed shed. So the roof, garbage. Structure, if you look at what should be plumb, that's not plumb, that's bent weldment. But
a little crooked.
we got the walls back up, we got the front back up, and actually my supervisor had a bunch of this scrap steel laying around. So we put a whole new roof on it that's steel.
Redneck style at its finest.
Not the prettiest thing you've ever seen on YouTube, but I guarantee it's not the worst.
And it's a roof over our side-by-sides, so
It works.
it works.
It does its job.
Haven't had a problem yet. Ooh,
Can't be covering that up.
look at that.
If you want to get yourself something with a logo on it, go down to the description. Underneath the Auxbeam link, there's going to be a link to our store where you can buy some sort of goodie with our logo on it, whether it's t-shirt, hat, I forget what else we have. We got a bunch of stuff on there.
Is there any mice living in this thing?
I would not be surprised. I don't even know what's in. Oh, look! We got wire.
Ooh,
It's a nice full roll. 20
some
foot.
tools.
That's like $600 nowadays.
Jake's money saver vehicle has really not saved them much money.
Yeah, I bought this thing dirt cheap last year. If you guys didn't see that video, I'm sure it'll be somewhere on our channel. But Caleb and I bought a couple Volkswagen TDI cars. Mine lasted about 6 months. And then on my way to work one day, I dropped a valve in the head. So it went from running super smooth to and it just donezo. So I brought it to a guy to diagnose it, figure out what the heck is wrong with it, and that's when he put a bore scope down and saw that there was zero compression and the cylinder was poop. So I forget what I bought it for, like $1,200–1,300 car, now needs probably a whole new engine if I really want to keep driving it. But I'll probably just throw a $400 head on it, check the piston and cylinder, make sure that it's usable, make it run, sell it dirt cheap. Maybe get my money back out of it. I don't know. But she is donezo for now. So it's just been sitting here on our side-by-side trailer for the past 3 months. And I really miss it because I see Caleb driving his Golf to work every day, having fun with his manual, and I cry thinking about this. So that's why I haven't seen that in a video in like forever. We were gonna do a lot more with these things, just screwing around. That didn't happen. Well, that's what Auxbeam wanted to send us. They wanted to send us headlights. It would have been sweet, because these bulbs and housings are garbage. I gotta have my brights on to be like my truck's normal lights. There's an update on the Jetta. What else we got?
That's about it.
We do have a Patreon now.
We do.
It's like halfway set up. You can follow us on there. We haven't posted anything yet. If you want to contribute, that'd be greatly appreciated. If not, no pressure. We're not gonna make you. But at some point, we would like to start doing some exclusive content on there. We'll probably end up posting more exclusive stuff, like, I don't know, more about our personal lives, more about what we're doing throughout the week. Maybe release videos a little bit earlier than we do on YouTube, and whatever else you guys want to see. If you guys have suggestions for stuff we can put on there, let us know, because we're new to the whole Patreon thing.
I got a secret. This one's a good one that we can do on there. You guys have to comment Caleb doing a mustard shot.
Oh, he told us that he would do a mustard shot after, what, 1,000 subscribers? I forget. He would do a full shot of mustard. I'd be happy with a half a shot. He said he'd do a shot of mustard once
He'll do it for you
a
guys.
certain amount of subscribers.
We know he will.
He has not done it yet, and he claims he will never do it. I think we can change his mind at some point. So we need you guys to help us out
Warm him
with
up
that.
a little bit.
We need the encouragement. He needs to do that mustard shot.
That's kind of what's happening for now. Just waiting for ice to form, and stupid weather is being dumb.
Also waiting for Cam's stop ride recall thing on his side-by-side.
Yes.
Because we thought about going to like Bundy or Twisted Trails or Rocks and Valleys or something lately, but he can't go with his machine, so that kind of sucks.
Yeah.
Polaris guys, Polaris has to figure out what the heck is going on with those things and get a fix out soon, because there's a lot of people running around with $40,000 bricks just sitting in their driveway.
It's a lot of money.
It's a lot of money.
That can go boom real fast.
Could you imagine just riding and all of a sudden your back end just blows up?
Carry a fire extinguisher, kids.
Definitely get a fire extinguisher. I gotta get one of the mounts that you got.
Yeah.
I like that.
Kamimoto fire extinguisher mount. Bam, go.
Link is probably gonna be somewhere in the description. We're gonna have a full list of links for you. On that note, thanks for watching. We appreciate you.
Subscribe. Hit
All
the
that
like
stuff.
button. See you.